Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create a second Facebook account or a second profile without actually needing a new email or phone number. So this feature was actually introduced recently on Facebook. So right now you can create a new profile with your existing credentials. You don't need to have a new email or phone number. So to do this, you launch your Facebook and go to your profile section. Here you're going to see under your name, create another profile. You click on it. It says create another profile using a different name. Your real name isn't required. People won't know it is you unless you tell them. Interact without hesitation. Explore group and make friends around shared interest without affecting your other profile. Switch profile with one login. Quickly switch between profiles without a separate email and password. Now you don't need to use another email or another phone number. So it's going to use your existing credentials to create another profile, just like you're using on my previous video, just like I showed how to use your existing Gmail account to get multiple YouTube channel. So you're going to click on get started. Here you can input your profile name. You don't actually need to use your name, your real name. You can use anything you want here. So I'm just going to go with I'm just going to go with anything. Let's go with Kelvin. Click on continue. It's going to give you your username. So it's going to create a username for you. From here you can upload your profile picture if you want, and your banner. Click on continue. So these are things you have to have in mind. Control settings. This is a new profile. We reset the default settings. Once created, you'll be able to review and make changes shortly. So you click on create profile. Okay, for some reason say additional profile not created. You can only create one profile every 72 hours. You will need to wait and try again. So in my case here, it didn't let me to create another profile, so I have to wait for 72 hours. Okay, after waiting for 72 hours, so this is me recording this video few days later. So if I go back to Facebook now and I click on the hamburger menu over here, you can now see that we have two options here in my profile. So you can now see that if I click on the drop down menu, you can now see we now have two profiles here, Elvis and Kelvin. So you can now switch to any profile you want to use at that moment. If I click on Kelvin, it's going to take me to Kelvin immediately. As you can see, I switched to Kelvin. And the good thing about this second profile is that you don't actually need to put your main name, because Facebook policy, you have to put your main name on your Facebook. But this one, you can just put any name you want and create a new profile. You know, if you don't want to use your main profile to comment on such things, you can just create this profile for comment and all that. So if you want to go back to your main account, you just click on this little icon here. It will take you to your main account. You can just do this anytime you want. So you can do this anytime you want. So it's always available to just switch easily. So that will be all for this quick video. But if you find this video helpful, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials like this. That will be all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.